In Apple's big September event, which took place on Tuesday, Apple demonstrated how powerful chips, combined with hardware and software integration, delivered real value for every user. Apple confirmed all pre-event rumors, introducing iPhones with all-day battery life, along with an unexpected star, the A15-powered iPad mini, which is powerful enough for any mobile productivity task. Apple announced that iOS 15 would be available on September 20th. A much improved entry-level iPad and a new Apple Watch were also introduced. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about how Apple's iPhone 13 will boost everyone's 5G. The A15 Bionic processor powers Apple's two major enterprise announcements. Apple now sells the fastest smartphone that has ever existed, and the iPad mini has more than enough power and a 5G connection to make it an excellent choice for almost any mobile enterprise. Do you want to check the manual before fixing a solar grid? With this lightweight device, you'll have everything you need. Recent benchmarks suggested the new chip would enable the iPhone 13 to perform 10 to 20% better than its predecessor. In reality, Apple did indeed increase the number of cores on the chip. You get a 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores, nearly 15 billion transistors. It is the fastest chip of any smartphone and can handle demanding tasks smoothly and efficiently. At the same time, the new 4-core GPU is 30% faster than the competition and enables more lifelike graphics and lighting effects in graphics-intensive games, according to the company. 16.8 trillion operations per second can be performed by the new 16-core neural engine. That means faster machine learning, faster apps, and many machine vision enhancements, which gives the device a camera that rivals high-end video capture devices. As a result, the Mac and iPad Pro will benefit significantly in the future. Multiple-core M-series chips can only be found in the Mac Pro. Most enterprise users might want to consider that. There will be a significant change for the iPhone 13, with the x60 modem replacing the x55 modem. As a result, the iPhone 13 will provide better, low-latency 5G coverage than the iPhone 12. Uplink typically limits mobile coverage more than Downlink. The uplink is where battery drain and radiation exposure occur the most, so your phone's power is quite limited there. Most phones run uplink on low frequencies, long range at low energy, and downlink on mid-range or high frequencies. iPhone 12 uses the X55 modem to combine 5G downlinking with 4G uplinking. Unfortunately, it comes at a price of latency, since 4G has a higher latency than 5G, and sometimes at the cost of coverage, since the 4G and 5G cells are not always aligned properly and your phone can only access one or the other. The X60, however, allows the iPhone 13 to take advantage of a 5G uplink and a 5G downlink at the same time. As a result, the phone will be able to use T-Mobile's mid-band 5G and Verizon's and AT&T's upcoming C-band networks, resulting in reduced latency. According to Counterpoint Research, about 15% of all iPhones, the 12 series worldwide, are currently 5G capable. That figure is likely to double with the iPhone 13 on the way, so improving 5G networks is a must. We have seen that when a mass of new iPhones hits a network, it can cause congestion if the network provider is not prepared. The same thing happened with AT&T 3G and Verizon 4G. About 5G, AT&T is clearly behind the 8 balls. The company's 5G is already slower than its 4G, and its C-band rollout plans are not as aggressive as Verizon's. Nevertheless, the iPhone 13 wave is coming to AT&T. We hope it's ready. Fortunately, the increased demand for 5G will encourage carriers to keep investing in 5G equipment and fill in the coverage gaps we found in our Fastest Mobile Networks 2021 drive tests. If you own a 5G phone, you should care about the iPhone 13's market traction, even if you're an Android user. What do you think the iPhone will be doing with satellite calls? A satellite iPhone rumor has gone wild over the past few weeks due to a misunderstanding of satellite communications and North Americans' desperation to have alternatives to their current wireless carriers. The transmitters and antennas used in satellite calls are much more potent than those found in smartphones. Furthermore, it utterly destroys battery life. In summary, your phone transmits an average power of 0.0044 watts, according to a paper from 2017. Global Star satellite phones transmit from 0.05 to 0.3 watts on average, but can transmit up to 0.4 watts at maximum. Therefore, it is 10 times to 100 times more potent than the phone's usual transmit power. For us, the best way to square that with Mark Gurman's statement that the new iPhones will have some satellite capability is that they might have something like an extreme emergency beacon. For example, if you're trapped in a landslide in the middle of nowhere, your phone could send GPS coordinates to emergency services. Nevertheless, we cannot understand how this satellite thing would work compared to the physics of ordinary mobile phones. Is it worth it? Apple plays with prototypes, test features and design tweaks that never make it to market more than other phone makers. We can speculate about the features of the next generation, but those rumors should not affect your decision on whether or not to upgrade your old SE. Before introducing the new iPhones, many existing users traded in their current iPhones to make a little money toward the latest devices. This trend is more noteworthy given that Android user interest in the new model has declined compared to the previous one, while 18% of existing iPhone users are considering upgrading. Meanwhile, recent Counterpoint data shows Apple still holds over 50% of the world's premium smartphone market, followed by Samsung and Huawei, both of which are declining. Moreover, every region reports Apple as the leader. As networks compete in promoting 5G, many speculate that one reason for the iPhone 13 is that Apple has managed to negotiate some sweet carrier deals. Apple's decision to equip the iPad mini with 5G and extend support for the standard to other nations and regions is well aligned. Now, it appears the company hopes to ride this wave, which could significantly impact enterprise purchasing if the carrier deals extend to fleet upgrades and purchasing. The situation is improving. Following the announcement, AT&T announced that it would give free iPhones to new and existing AT&T customers. With an eligible trade-in, an installment plan, and an unlimited plan, they can take advantage of the following iPhone 13 deals. The deals mean you can get an iPhone 13 Pro or Mini for no upfront costs, or an iPhone 13 Pro Max or iPhone 13 for $99 upfront. In addition, Cricket Wireless began offering the iPhone 13 range on September 24th. As long as companies in other parts of the UK and worldwide offer similar incentives, then most businesses will have a good chance of upgrading. Despite the fantastic trade-in prices provided by Apple and its partners, the biggest news is likely to be the new camera features, better battery life, and other improvements to technology. In the US, buyers of the previous iPhone can get up to $1,000 toward purchasing a new model, and we anticipate similar deals in other markets around the world. It's a significant competitive advantage for Apple, and it's likely to boost iPhone residual values, which are already the highest on the market thanks to Apple's relentless product consistency and multi-year software updates. That is all for this video. Please like and share it with others, and hit the bell button to receive our latest notifications. See you soon!